This is the third installment of my Insulator collection series, and we have another version of the Hemingray number 9, number 9, number 9, number 9. And it's the CD-106 version, the 106 model as opposed to the 107, which I can't even remember if it was my previous video. I think it was. It was the other, no, actually it was the first one. The first in the series was the CD-107, and this one's the 106. So this is the older version of the Hemingray number 9, and the CD-107 replaced it. And I'm just going to read this to you, and at the end of the video there will be a screenshot of the info for this insulator from Hemingray.info, which is a huge insulator identifier website. And the one on the website is kind of a purplish color, which I don't quite get. Be kind of cool to have one of those, kind of this violet, kind of almost like a bluish purple. But you might notice that this one unfortunately is all cracked up, and I know why that is in this case. Now, people did used to use these as target practice, but in this case what happened is somebody actually intentionally put this thing in the oven. And I was told by a relative, an older relative, that people used to do that to make the insulators crack because they made them into candle holders. And people thought that having them all cracked up like this was prettier. You know, the candlelight shining through the glass, they thought this looked good. Personally, I don't. It's just really messy looking, and obviously these things being collectible, it's not a good idea to destroy them, but then I guess the rarer they are, the more they're worth. And this one is extremely common, so I guess that in this case it's not a big deal per se, but extremely common means that there are many of them out there. I think millions, or at least hundreds of thousands. But anyway, I'm going to read to you the info on this screenshot. It's 3.5 inches high, 2.25 inches wide. It's a Hemingray. Years produced 1890s to 1940s. The hobby nickname for this one is the Pony. The Hemingray number 9 was a very popular pony-style insulator designed for rural telephone lines. These were produced in mass quantities and can commonly be found in aqua, clear, and ice blue. Other colors are generally less common and more desirable, so I'm guessing the kind of violet is the most desirable. This style was later replaced by the smaller CD-107 because it used less glass and was generally more robust. Yeah, so if you want to see what a 107 looks like, go ahead and check out the first video in this series. I thought about going out and going over across the room there and picking one up and putting it next to this one for comparison, but you know what? If you really want to see it, go ahead and just watch the other video. But yeah, I think that's all of the info that I can really give about this one. And there's one more video to make in this series, and if I obtain more insulators, then of course there will be more videos. But in the meantime, I'll catch you later.